girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. A funny song from Bazzi called Miss America. So this one will be a short one. We love this quickie sometimes, it's fun to do them. And this one, he really dives into the mind of Miss America. A fun song to watch the video and play as well. Very easy. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order, with the same strumming through the entire song. Great. Let's start with K-palm first. And the chords we will need will be C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next will be D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So, very famous combo there, C, D, G, and E minor. In different combinations there, but anyway, this is one of them, and we, like I said, have this chord progression through the entire song. Now, since C is the first chord, we'll look at the strumming with the C. It's a pretty long one, okay, but it's one strumming round per chord, so as soon as you learn that one, you have the entire song. So let's look at the C, and it sounds like this, one round. Okay, so we can divide it into 2 different parts just because it's that long. So the first part will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, 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 down, down, up. So it's up, 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 down, down, up. Yeah, so if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. When I do the ups, I don't do full ups, or so. I just snap it on the way up with my nail here on the thumb. Perhaps I hit the E and B string only, something like that. So you don't have to do full downs, it will be too blurry, too much sound like this. So just turn your wrist like this, alright, when you go up. So that's it. So with this chord progression, C1, D1, G1, and E minor 1, it will sound like this. And so on. So that pretty much covers Bazzi's Miss America. So good luck, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Play tuned.